I'm Aaron, and this is my wife Hayden. We're on a mission to visit every country in the world. Currently, we're exploring El Salvador with Hayden's brother and sister. Buckle your seatbelts, because today we're taking you into the future with Bitcoin. We are here in El Zonte, El Salvador, which is the first place in El Salvador to actually accept Bitcoin as their primary currency. Because Bitcoin is such a decentralized currency, it really can have a huge impact in areas that have issues getting to central banks or bank accounts, and that's actually pretty common here where people don't have bank accounts, but everybody has a cell phone. This whole economy has flourished, it's blown up because of Bitcoin, and it even led to the entire nation of El Salvador just this year, 2021, accepting Bitcoin as a national currency. So we're gonna do a little bit of exploring. There's not supposed to be a ton of things to do here, but we're gonna try to maybe buy a beer, buy some food, maybe we'll find a coconut, and the entire time we're gonna only use Bitcoin. The first thing we're gonna do is get a little breakfast this morning, and we're at the Beach Break Sports Bar and Hotel, and we've ordered avocado toast, and it's like negative amounts of avocado. I didn't realize, I should have read the menu, it comes with tomato and onions, which I'm gonna immediately scrape off, and the toast is burnt on one side, but then completely like almost uncooked on the other, so not the best meal for $7. Oh, scan barcode. Breakfast. Confirm note. Send. Okay, sent on my end. See, it's confirming right now. Normally it's much quicker than this, so that's the benefit of the Lightning Network, is it's supposed to be relatively instantaneous, unlike Bitcoin, which can take up to about 30 minutes to confirm transactions. ¿Todo bien?
¿Es todo? Okay, gracias.
We're down here on the beach right now, and the waves are crashing in, it's hot as heck, and what's the coolest thing about this is there's little carts that dot the beach and they'll move up and down. They're selling things like shaved ice or drinks or mangoes. So we found one that has shaved ice and with the flavoring, and we're gonna buy one now with Bitcoin. Okay, so here we go. 150. There we go. Snow cone. So I just enter an amount, shows me the amount, where I'm paying it to. I hit confirm note, and I hit send. And in just a second, we should see...
Buena.
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 Muchas
Okay, gracias.
So it's definitely not the smoothest of transaction process down here. There's a lot of factors with the light and even just the colors from the umbrella, but just the simple fact that I can pay for a snow cone literally on the beach with Bitcoin is a huge advancement for the technology and a huge advancement for cryptocurrencies in this country.
I'm gonna get a bag of Doritos and pay for it with Bitcoin. It's my homie over here. Write a note, thanks, confirm note. Let's see if that works. Let's see it turn green. And it should be turning green for him. Oh, send it out.
Future is Bitcoin. I am Bitcoin. I feel the Bitcoin. 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 I feel it. It's real. It's happening.
Bitcoin es real. El futuro es aquí.
So, things we've learned with Bitcoin down here at Bitcoin Beach. One, it's really, really, really cool to pay this way. Two, I have a feeling the investment side of me is going to super regret spending Bitcoin one day, because, you know, that $1.50 snow cone that I bought on the beach is probably going to end up being like $10,000 in the future. So, whoops. But three, it's actually not as instantaneous as you would expect. multiple times did we actually make a payment and it says, you know, confirming. We have to wait for a miner to actually confirm it on the blockchain network. It's built on Lightning, so it's supposed to be pretty instantaneous, but because it is ultimately Bitcoin backed, it does take that time. So don't expect it to just be like, boop, you're done, you're out, you're ready to go. Sometimes you might have to wait a couple of minutes, but overall, I think that this is going to become more of the process in the future around the world, especially in countries that don't have great banking infrastructures. We're going to see more and more coins become the way of the future, and we'll start to see a little bit less of, you know, people going to other countries and sending money home. They'll just earn crypto and send it because the gas fees are going to be a lot cheaper. So overall, really cool. Really enjoyed the time here at Bitcoin Beach. El Zonte is not exactly the most built up area, so we might go into El Tunco, which has a little bit more infrastructure, and just see if we have a little better luck. But yeah. So we've left Bitcoin Beach and now we've come to El Tunco, and we're going to try and continue to pay with Bitcoin. So the app that I've been using is the Muun wallet. That's M-U-U-N. And it works by being basically just a transportable wallet that you have on your phone, but you can't actually buy Bitcoin through that. So you're going to need to buy it through an exchange. Common exchanges might be like a Coinbase, which actually, if you want to get started with crypto, I'll leave my link in the description down below. When you buy your first $100 of crypto, we'll each get $10 in Bitcoin. But what you need to do is you need to buy from an exchange first, and then you can send yourself money through your own wallets. So you'll open up the Muun application, you'll hit copy on your wallet, and then you'll switch to your exchange like a Coinbase, and you'll hit send, and the amount that you want to send to yourself and paste in your wallet address. And it's pretty quick. It took about maybe 5 minutes or so before the Bitcoin showed up in my Muun wallet, and then I was able to use it wherever I needed to here. We ordered some drinks and dinner, tostones, and a really delicious vegan burger. Now, it's time to pay the bill. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and pay with Bitcoin now. So as you can see, what I'm gonna do is hit send. That's gonna give me the QR code reader. Nope. So you can just put in a nice little note. It shows you how much Bitcoin you're going to use and who you're paying it to, which pretty much everything is Bitcoin Beach here. Hit confirm note. And then it'll show you how much it's going to cost in a network fee, the total amount, and you hit send. And you'll see it's withdrawn that from my account. And shortly we should see a nice little approval. Gracias.
Gracias.
And that's how it's done. That was easy. That's actually probably the smoothest transaction I've ever seen on the Lightning Network, but that's what it was designed for. It's supposed to be really fast and really painless, whereas Bitcoin, the blockchain, takes quite a while to actually mint and confirm transactions, whereas the Lightning Network is supposed to be more instantaneous, and it allows for people to use it as an everyday currency.